This is Unit 5 for Intro to Algebra 1. This is on adding, subtracting, multiply, and dividing polynomials. So first I have the study guide, then I'll go through questions numbers 1 through 5 on this video for a worksheet that says Chapter 10, Test A at the top. So adding and subtracting polynomials, you're just literally going to combine the like terms. When it's adding, you have the first polynomial plus the second polynomial. You're going to combine those two by addition, so you can just go through and actually combine together the like terms. You can see that here. Remember, you can pause this video at any point if you want to see that further. Second one is subtracting. Again, same idea, first polynomial minus second polynomial. You distribute the negative through, so these parentheses did matter, and then again, combine like terms. You can see your answer there. Multiplying, I have three different examples here. One is when you're just using distributive property, take the number out in front, multiply it to everything in the back. All right, number two, you're going to FOIL, take the first term, you're going to distribute that to everything in the second. Take the second term, distribute it to everything in the second. You end up with four terms, 2 by 2. You then add these two like terms together, and you get 2x squared minus x minus 28. Number three, this one's a little bit trickier. You have an 2x minus 3 all squared. When it's squared, it means you have two of them. You have to rewrite it twice. Again, FOIL it. 2x times by the 2x and minus 3, negative 3 times by the 2x and minus 3 gives you these four items. Again, four items. Combine the middle two terms to be negative 12x. The rest stays the same. Last is dividing. All right, this is a big problem. When you have all those terms on top divided by the 2x on the bottom, you're going to just individualize each one of these, and then you're going to reduce them individually. You can see that it's done right here. So on that worksheet now, Chapter 10, Test A, it says, when we go through and solve here, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 3. So in these two polynomials are attached by addition. There's really no need for those parentheses. So it's x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 3. Combine together your like terms, you end up with 5x squared, the 4x squared, and the x squared. You're always starting with the highest exponent. Next will be 2x's and 5x's is a total of 7x's. And then 1 plus 3 is a total of plus 4 there. Nothing else to combine together, so that is my final answer. Number two, very similar, but this time we're doing subtracting. So when you're doing subtracting, you're going to have to make sure you account for that minus sign in the middle. First polynomial is just rewritten. The second one, you have to distribute the negative through. So this is going to become minus x squared, minus 2x, and minus 1. Now again, combining like terms, 3x squared and the minus 1x squared is going to give you 2x squared. 5x minus 2x is going to give you plus 3x. And then 4 minus 1 is going to give you a plus 3. Number three, you have 3x squared plus 5x plus 8. Plus 6x squared plus 3x plus 2. When you go through and solve here, again, you're just going to combine like terms. The parentheses are not needed there, so I can just rewrite this 3x squared plus 5x plus 8 plus 6x squared plus 3x plus 2. Combine like terms, 3x squared and 6x squared gives me 9x squared. 5x plus 3x is going to give me plus 8x. And 8 plus 2 is going to give me plus 10. Number four, again, you see the subtraction sign, so you're going to have to distribute that subtraction sign throughout the second polynomial there. So this is going to become minus 4x squared, a minus 3x, and a minus 2. Again, you're distributing this to every one of those three terms in the second half. So when I finish out now, 8x squared minus 4x squared gives me a 4x squared. 6x minus 3x gives me a positive 3x. And then finally, 3 minus 2 gives me a plus 1. All right, last one, number five. Number five deals with a word problem where the profit is equal to revenue minus cost. That was given to you there. It says the profit of a company are found by subtracting the company's cost from the revenue. All right, so my profit here is going to equal to the revenue equation was given as 40x minus 0.0002 x squared. And we're subtracting the cost, which was 14x plus 120,000. So we're going to, again, this is just like the subtraction problems we're doing, take the subtraction sign, distribute that through. So my profit here is going to be 40x minus that 0.0002 x squared minus 14x, and then finally minus that 120,000. Rewriting it in descending order and putting the like terms together gives me a negative 0.002x squared. It's the only x squared term. 40x minus the 14x is going to give me plus 26x, and then minus 120,000 comes on to the end. So that is the final answer for that profit function.